Hello people, welcome back to the episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video, and this video is about this look right here which I am completely obsessed about. This is my go-to glam look which I achieve in like 15 minutes. Now I have seen a lot of videos around internet which says 5-minute makeup tutorial or quick makeup tutorial or things like that. But let me tell you, this video is going to be absolutely helpful for you because I am actually going to do this look in 15 minutes with minimalistic edits here and there where it's absolutely unnecessary to have it in the video. So that's what this video is going to be about. Really quick, glamorous makeup routine, the one that you see right here. And also I am not going to use foundation in this routine, but you can totally go ahead and use a foundation or a BB or a CC cream that you like to have it on your face. But I am absolutely confident with not having foundation and doing just this face right here. So if you want to see how I created this face, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So I'm going to start with the skincare first. I have applied a toner and a moisturizer on my face, and next thing I'm going to do is I am going to use this Smashbox. It's known as Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I love the texture of it, and I like how moisturizing it is, but at the same time it acts as a primer and it is very non-sticky, non-greasy. So I like that about this product. And next thing I'm going to use is this by Farsali Volcanic Elixir. It's again an oil, and as my under eyes are a little dry, sorry, I'm just all over the place today, I don't know why. Now this is kind of a skincare also, but at the same time it works really well under my eyes as they are dry and they need a little extra care. So I use this on the dry parts of my face. So that's my, as I said, under eyes and the circumference of my face. Nicely make sure that it is absorbed into your skin, because if you just keep layering things up, things will turn out cakey and patchy, and we don't want that. So pat everything into your skin after spreading out. And now let's move to the primer. And for the primer, I am using this Smashbox Photo Focus Smooth and Blur Primer. This is excellent product for people like me who have huge pores. This product just fills them up really well and smooths out your skin, because right now I am having quite a texture going on my face. I don't know why, but from last week I am having a lot of texture. So this helps me smoothen out my skin a little bit so that the makeup can glide on really smoothly. And now let's start with the makeup. So to start with, I like my makeup to look nice and dewy and natural on normal days when I am not going to any event, or just going out just on a normal date, on a dinner date, or just casually going out. I try looking a little more dewy and a little more natural with my makeup, but having a nice even skin tone. So I'm going to start with this Stroke Cream by MAC, and this is in the shade Pink Light. And next step is going to be a highlighter. Yes, highlighter. I am talking about this highlighter by Sugar. It's in the shade Gold. It's known as Sugar Jelly Highlighter, I think. I will drop the whole name and everything down below for you to check out. But I am using this highlighter again to, if you see, I'm almost out of this. This is that highlighter which doesn't work very well on top of a foundation because it might just move it. But if you are applying it on your skin directly, oh my god, even if you apply a foundation on top of it or you apply any product on top of it, this is just going to give you such beautiful glow. I love this highlighter under my foundation. So whenever I want to go with that dewy look that I just spoke about, I definitely have to use this highlighter. I'm also using it under my brows a little bit. And on the inner corner of my eyes already. You see this side of my face and then see this side. This looks, I mean, it looks good but healthy, but this shine, I love it. And especially on the days when there's texture going on your skin and your skin is not behaving well, you know, less is more on those days. For those days, things like this really make sure that your skin looks good. And now I'm going to give all these things a little time to settle down into my skin, and until then I'm going to do my brows. And for the brows I'm using this one by Etude House. It's known as Drawing Eyebrow. It's a really nice casual product, you know. It doesn't do too much for your brows, but just shaping them with this makes them look a really groomed one. And what I like is that there's a spoolie on the other end, so you don't have to search for your brushes or things like that, because when it's a quick makeup routine you don't want to search things too much, right? Just filling them up on the areas where they are a little sparse. And now when those brows are done and on place, next thing I'm going to do is take this concealer. This is Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. Now I'm going to take this on back of my hand, and I'm taking a decent amount, if you see, and you'll know why. But I'm going to pick up little by little and start from the center of my face. And I'm not going to be using foundation today, and that is why I'm using this concealer. Now this is a very quick routine, and hence it should take no time to do this. And now when that concealer is done, I know it's looking too bright right now, but wait for it. I am going to use this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. It's in the shade True Tan, which is actually around 4-5 shades lighter for me. You can see already. And now I'm going to pick this up again little by little. Now this doesn't have too much of coverage, so it just perfectly works for my face to contour and bronze it. It adds a nice color to my face. You see, it has added so much color to my face, right? It has brought attention to the center of my face, and at the same time the contour doesn't look as harsh. And now moving to the blush, I am using this one right here. This is by Milani. It's the baked blush in the shade 05 Luminoso. It's known as baked powder blush, and I do this again by my beauty blender when I'm going for a natural look. I'm going to start from here, and you see it's so pigmented and it has that golden sheen to it, so you don't really need a highlighter on top of this. And now quickly moving towards the eyes, I am using this P. Louise eyeshadow. It's known as Prime and Define eyeshadow. This is in the shade Babe, You'll Always Be My Partner in Crime. I love this shade and I love how it looks on my eyes. You just take a little bit. There are many shadows, liquid eyeshadows available in India, like the high-end ones and even the pocket-friendly ones. You can go for any one that you like. I am using this one because this has a very nice pink undertone to it and a very holographic reflex. So I like that. It gives that golden pinkish reflex. So it immediately glams the whole look without putting too much effort. And you see, in no time I am done with an eyeshadow look, right? And this step is the only step where I take a little bit of my time to get glamorous, and that is using an eyeliner. I like using a brown eyeliner instead of going all black. I try keeping it soft with a brown eyeliner. The one I am using is Amber waterproof eyeliner. This is the local one I got from some local shop around my house, but you can go and search for a nice eyeliner if you want, but for me this one works really well. If you see the tip of this, it's so sharp. It just helps me get that sharp, nice winged eyeliner in no time. And now I am going to use this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Now we're going to set everything on place with this Wet n Wild setting spray. This is a matte one because my face is oily and it oils in no time. I generally use a matte setting spray because that just keeps my face a little matte for a little longer. For the lipstick, I'm again using L'Oreal one. This is L'Oreal Color Rich Matte in the shade Rose Nuance, and you can see I am almost out of it, and this shows that this look is my actual go-to because I use this lipstick all the time. My go-to glam. You can already see I feel so happy, so confident whenever I put this face on. I love this makeup and I love the products that I use while doing this makeup. List of all those products is going to be down in the description box if you are interested in any of the products or all of the products. Now if you see, I have not applied lashes and all because that is just not my jazz. I know everybody, you know, when you talk about glam look, lashes are like absolutely necessary, but not for me. I feel doing this lashes with just a mascara does pretty good for me. I don't want to put lashes, so I don't put it because nothing should be a rule for you that if you're going for a glam look you do need lashes, or you know, you can achieve a really quick glam look like this one right here, which is, oh my god, so pretty, right? Yeah, anyways, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if there is anything that you want me to make videos on, drop it down below. I'll be more than happy to do it. And guys, please subscribe. I say that every time, and if you're new to the channel, kindly consider subscribing. That doesn't cost you anything, but it would mean me a lot, because when you subscribe or you comment on the videos down below, it gets more engagement, which ultimately results in making my channel more discoverable. More people will be able to see the content I create, and that is what I do this for. So be generous enough, be kind enough to subscribe and comment down below. Until then, take care. Ta-da!